Hey guys, it's Boeing 767 here, and I yesterday just had the best sleep of my life in this room. It's very nice. Grandparents are downstairs, and just woke up a few minutes ago. And yeah, so this is the start of my new series called Trip. Not just Trip, but Road Trip. Episode numero 1. So if we can get up to 500 likes on this, or actually just 100 likes, this is my second video. And I know I look so sleepy. I just wanted to see, so yeah. I am in Big Sky, Montana, and I'm just laying in my bed here. So yeah. You're gonna have a lot more videos with this. I'll tell ya, it's gonna be a really long road trip. So, yeah, it's my first episode of Road Trip. And right now we left Seattle 2 days ago, and we drove through the night. I fell asleep, of course. And yeah, so. Yeah, so, thank you for watching. Peace out, everybody. Ooh.